Alright, today we'll be looking at depositing, how to deposit, withdraw, transfer, and converting on any sex exchange. Alright, okay, now let's go into it. Now, when you look down, you're going to see, if you look down here, as you can see, hope you can see my cursor. You're going to see the home, you're going to see market, you're going to see trade, you're going to see in, and you're also going to see assets. Okay, now let's head over to deposit. Under asset, you're going to see all this. You're going to see deposit, you're going to see withdrawal, you're going to see transfer, you're going to see convert. Now let's tap on deposit over here. I'm going to tap on deposit. Well, when you click on deposit, you're going to see P2P trading, buy with Naira, Nigerian Naira, and deposit crypto. So just click on deposit crypto. Tap on it. Now you're going to see a search bar and make sure it's on crypto, not fiat. So now let's say let's just tap on this USDT. Maybe I select USDT as the chain I want. Okay, now looking at all these are the chains. Okay, so the fastest is this TRC20, and that's why it has the highest gas fee, and that is what I normally use. Then the cheapest is BEP20. Where is it? BEP20. So you can choose any chain if you want, but if you want for faster transaction, use TRC20. Okay, let's tap on it. So you can see the address. All you have to do is just click on this. Okay, you've copied it. So if you want to use BEP20, you do same thing. You can see the addresses are different. Okay, you do the same thing. You copy the link. Okay, now let's go back. So now remember, when you copy this link, you just have to send it to the person that needs it, or the person you are transferring to. Okay, so just ask the person the one he or she wants, or if you want to transfer to your other wallet, you want to deposit to another of your wallets, something like Trust Wallet, you can also do the same. Now let's go back. Let's go to withdrawal. So this is withdrawal over here. Let's click on it. So let me remove this from zero balance. So these are all, so any of the coin you want to withdraw. So these are all the tokens here. So let me use this let me use Ethereum as an example. So let's click on it. Okay, let me change it back to USDT because that is what I like using. Let me just type USDT. Alright, so the address that the person sends to you, this is where you are going to paste it. You copy and you paste this here. Make sure you are sending it. If you are also sending to your Trust Wallet, you make sure you paste the Trust Wallet address, so it's the same thing. Okay, so I make sure it's on chain. Okay, now let's click. Now when you paste the address here, you come here, you select the network type, you also paste it as well, then you put your amount and you click on withdraw. Now let's look at this internal transfer. You can also change it. As for this email, I have tried it, so all you have to do, make sure the person is using this is Bybit. Make sure it's still Bybit. You copy the person email, Bybit email, and you do the same thing. You send, you click the amount and you send. This UID, just like the way you have your UID, the person's giving his or her UID, you put it here and you put the amount. Though I've not tried using UID, but I've used email before. for withdrawal. All right, so what's the next? Let's go back. So the next is what is transfer. Transfer is like you sending from one account to another within this Bybit. Okay, or if you are using Binance, it's the same thing within that Binance account. All right, let me tap on it. All right, so here we have funding and we have unified trading account. Here we have now we have BTC. So if you want to send from here, let's say you have coin there, just put down your amount, the amount of BTC you want, and you confirm. So it's going to send to your unified. Then if it's this BTC is on your unified, it will send to your phone. All you have to do is to tap this to change the position. You see what I just did? So it's as simple as that. Okay, let me change it back. So now let's go to the last but not the least. Let's go to convert. This is convert over here. Let's say you have BTC and you need USD, or you have USD and you need BTC. Okay, over here we have BTC and you need USD. So all you have to do is to swap BTC to USD. Okay, impute the BTC amount. Let me just put any amount you want. It's telling me sufficient balance because it's zero. I don't have any BTC yet. So you can also interchange it. Okay, you can swap it to USD. Then if you want to interchange, you just tap here. You see, now you are swapping USD to BTC. Just as simple as that. There is nothing difficult for you to do here. Okay, follow me on my WhatsApp channel and also my Telegram channel. So I'm going to show you my Telegram channel. So this is it. I have other things here, something like beginners training on training how to trade futures. I have part A, part B, and part C. How to go about it, how to use your watch list in TradingView. You can get all this. Okay, look at the channel's name, the KTV. Okay, once you get to Telegram, just join this channel. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.